Hey guys, so today is the 7th of February. Yep. And Jack and I are just getting ready to head out. We're gonna go uptown. I gotta go and buy Amanda a birthday card. Her birthday is on Saturday. And she'll be 31. God. And I'll be 43 in June. A little bit older than her. But age is just a number. Why is your other boot not on?
I was so glad it's my birthday.
What?
I was so glad it's my birthday. My birthday is on 3 days for a little while. 21 days out.
Okay. Your birthday is in July, honey. You have no idea what you're talking about. Get your boot on, or I'm leaving your ass here. Oh, it's been a boring day. I've been yelling at the kids a lot. Legos everywhere. I've been trying to get him to clean up after himself. As he went to her friend's house, rode her bike over to her friend's house in a snowstorm, keep in mind. Which, by the way, we're having. Doesn't look like it right now. But, it's here. It's, about half an hour away from full-on Armageddon. And dogs are going crazy.
Dogs want to come and
I'm talking like, you know, snowflakes the size of your face. Coming soon here. I mean, if you look at it right now, it's just snowing a little bit. But, yeah, it's almost here. Got the knife done. I can't wait to show you guys. The new video will be out next Monday. As usual, I'm not going to release it any earlier because I'm trying to stick to a schedule here. Alright, let's get your jacket. Where's your jacket? You don't need nothing to play with. Fine. Get your jacket on. Come on. Hey, Jackson, what is this?
Yeah.
You can get over. Put your boots away. Go on. Hurry up. Where do they go?
Right over here like this.
Like that? No. Put them down.
Like this.
Come on.
Hop, hop, hop.
Really? Hop.
Hop and hop.
Come on. Put your jacket on. Jackson, now.
Okay.
You're stressing me out, dude.
It's in.
Can you hold it? Can you zip up?
No.
Why not?
It's really hard to.
Why is it hard?
I don't know.
Oh my God.
Because I'm
Hold the
on
camera.
my hands.
Pass out from not breathing.
Hi.
Alright, it looks like it's warming up inside the car. Get over there, let's go.
Oh, look at that. No fun.
Oh yeah, it's coming down. Yes it is. Let's get in there.
It's on the rock.
Come on, get your butt up there.
Yeah.
Sit down.
It's on the rock.
It's snowing a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I don't know what that sound is. Listen to this. Like a leak in the manifold? I don't know. No idea. And the four-wheel drive doesn't work. Alright. Are you ready? Okay, guys. We're gonna go uptown. Van's gonna go in the shop hopefully tomorrow after I go to the doctor. Finally get a new alternator put in.
Yep.
Needs it. We need that van back. Amanda's been driving around in the Grand Am, which I'm very thankful that we have, because it took us 2 weeks to get the stupid alternator. It's just been a pain in the ass. Now they finally got the alternator, but it's been storm upon storm. We had 6 inches fall ball day before yesterday, and now we're gonna get another 6 to 10 inches. It's kind of been a crazy winter, and I'm okay with that. I like a lot of snow. It's gonna be cold. It might as well be snow. Although I like the beach a lot better. And tropics and palm trees and warm water and girls in bikinis. I would give this up in a second for all that. And what? You don't like old girls? Who's old? Who is mommy old? You don't like old? So you don't like grandma? You like girls, I know you do. Yeah, you're always checking them out. You're always telling me how pretty they are. Always doing that. Being a grocery store, Daddy, she's really pretty. I'm like, I know. You say that so she can hear. Not intentionally, but yes, you do. And she'd be like, oh, it's so cute. He told our bank teller she's pretty, and she wanted to ask him out, he told her that he wanted her to be his girlfriend, and she accepted. And then the next day he got a new girlfriend at school, and I had to break her heart. She was really upset. Yeah, Riker, and I had to tell Joanna that you got a new girlfriend and you didn't break up with her, right? And she was really sad. It's just funny. Little boys and girls. It's different with boys. You know, as with girls, it's like you don't want any boys to look at your little girl, but when your little boy looks at a pretty girl and says she's pretty, you know, you're like, yeah, she is. There's no problem with it. It's different. I don't know why that is. I mean, Ezzy's always going over to her friends' houses, and the majority of her friends are boys. And I have a real problem with that. And Beryl, she has one friend that's a girl. And I don't know. I don't know why that is. It's just the way I'm wired, the way men are wired. Look at this. Well, better get over here. Really feels more like frozen rain than anything. It is. Oh, Mike's here. Should we go say hi to Mike? Mike is the police chief in town here. I kind of become friends with him. There he is. Alright, so I just got back from going in the store there, and look at it. It is just snowing and blowing. It is really starting to come down now. Holy hell. Alright, let's try and get out of here. Careful. Treacherous as hell over here. This way. can't see shit. Cars coming, turn on the headlights. Nice turning. Wow. Can't even see the traffic lights up ahead. Ooh, we're sliding. Has to drive home in this shit 20 miles. I'm not okay with that. Usually she goes before, or no, usually it's after the storm is gone. She isn't usually driving in this while it's happening. And I'm out of washer fluid. Wonderful. just snow blew off the hood. Alright, so we're home. What?
It's so crazy.
What?
It's way windy outside and way cold.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it snowing really hard?
School is canceled.
School is canceled?
Yep.
Again? How many times did you go to school this week?
Oh no.
One?
Yeah.
One?
1 day.
1 day.
Yeah.
They canceled school for the stupidest shit around here.
I
mean, they could have been going to school up until noon today, but they canceled it.
School is canceled.
Again.
Yeah.
Probably canceled again tomorrow, too. And the next day, and the next day, whatever. Alright, should we go inside?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. Alright, so it's about 2:15. What time is it?
But I'm hungry.
What?
I'm hungry.
It's nap time, not eat time.
I'm gonna eat apple sauces.
You can have it when you get up after your nap.
I'm hungry.
How about having yourself a piece of Baby Bell?
No, I'm sorry. Oh, it's in the cupboard.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Were you hungry? I always give in to him. I hate it. This is Jeffrey. What's up, buddy?
Jeffrey just smelled your car. What's up?
Hey, buddy. Meow. 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 Num 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 num. Ah. Meow. Meow. Are we talking to Jeffrey? Yeah. What do you think he's saying?
He wants to eat my muffins.
He wants to eat your muffins?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Do you want to eat his muffins, Jeff? No.
And you.
I'm going to eat them.
No.
I think I might just fall asleep too. I don't know. Look at your eyes. What's going on with your eyes, huh?
I don't know.
Okay. Oh. Ugh. All done?
Yeah, one more.
All right. Jeffrey. Well. Hey, buddy. And here's my old girl, Belle. No, I did not invite you. Oh my God. Can't even look at her and she thinks it's time for play. Oh my God. Now I got a cat on me. And pretty soon this black monster will be on me. Just watch. And it's happening. You all done? Ready for... Get that... Why'd you shove it all in your mouth? You're gonna choke.
I got monsters in my mouth.
Well, don't do that. Do you want to die? What?
You will die.
I will die?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Okay. Alright. Ready for a nap?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go to bed.
And I have to get my white blanket.
You got it?
Yep.
What did you have to get? What did you have to get?
My white blanket.
Your baby blanket?
Yep.
Was that your baby blanket from when you were... Hey, you blinded them. Was that your baby blanket from when you were born?
Yeah.
Yeah. Still carries it with him everywhere. Except for... I mean,
Now
everywhere in the
for
house.
Jeffrey.
Yeah. You gonna cover Jeffrey?
Yeah.
Cover him up.
No.
No. Okay.
When that's way
Why don't you tell the guys good night? Say good night. Okay, never mind. Alright, see you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, so I just got out of the doctor's appointment. I'm here in Marinette right now. Just came down to look at the lake. Looks like it's entirely frozen over. All the way over to Sturgeon Bay over there. And it is beautiful. But I drove down into this kind of boat landing thing here. And I'm a little concerned I might not be able to get out. My four-wheel drive ain't working. I guess we'll have to see. I might have to take a running start. Not knowing entirely if the road is going to be clear or not. Oh God. Oh, and then there's somebody else coming down now. Take it nice and easy. See? Well, at least they got the warden is down here too. He's over here. So at least they got a couple of people that can help me if I can't get out. Oh God, I hope there's somebody coming. Oh, we made it. We made it. Alright, no problem. No problem at all. Look at that, you can see the cloud's shadow over the lake. Isn't that crazy? And that thing is solid. That's probably like 5 feet thick, that ice. There's you can't see it, but there's an ice shelf way the hell out there. Oh, no. Am I going around the sky, or? I guess I will. I'm gonna drive down to Red Arrow Park here and take a look, get a little closer. At least I know I can get in and out of there without a problem. Maybe take a ride down by the lighthouse. Amanda said don't come home because she's cleaning. Well, I didn't bring my drone. I didn't bring anything. All I got is the GoPro and my phone. So there's no award-winning pictures coming out of this little trip, unfortunately. There's an old abandoned house against the lake over here. It might be worth checking out. You know, no matter what season, day, no matter the weather, this view never gets old. It's beautiful. That's the Green Bay. God, that would be cool driving a snowmobile across that. If you knew, if you're 100% sure that it was solid all the way across, which is like 30 miles, That would be cool. Maybe one day I'll do it. I'm sure there's been a few that have. I see ice shacks way the hell out there. I mean way out there. Miles. Should talk to my buddy Kevin. See if he's ever ice fished out there. God, that's cool. So check this out. I'm down at Red Arrow Park right now, and they've had ice shoves. That's what those mounds are right now. All the way down there. And I didn't bring my drone. It's really something. Okay, so I'm over at the lighthouse. And I'm just gonna take a little quick walk. Ooh, it's cold out. Holy crap, I don't have sunglasses. I can't see shit. See the ice shows. The GoPro is good and everything, but I don't want such a wide angle. Oh yeah, you can, well, I can see the ice shoves from here. I don't know if you guys can or not. I don't think any big ships can come through here. It seems like. Frozen over. The channels are frozen. Man, that's a lot of open space right there. Okay, that's enough of that crap. It's freaking cold out. Bet you it's windshield with the windshield probably 10 or 15 below.